All right, everybody, meet Luna. Luna is based on a 1971 VW Bug chassis that's been cut away, and then they added what's called a bugger kit. Now, from our understanding, there was only approximately 1,000 of these VW bugger kits made, and this is one of them. We actually located this unit down in southern Florida, and we're going to completely overhaul Luna. We're going to bring her up to date a bit. We're going to replace all the siding with a fiberglass Phylon siding. And on the back, you may notice too, these kind of jagged edges, kind of roughed in here. We're going to completely roll that to follow the lines of Luna and follow the lines of VW. But we're super excited about this project. We want everybody to be able to follow along and follow the progress of Luna. We actually plan on having her at this year's Sport Boat, RV, and Vacation Show. That will actually be in January of 2023. So come by our booth at the show, meet Luna, get your picture taken. But we're going to do a quick walk around so you can see the before, then we'll talk about the during, and then hopefully at the show you can come by and see the finished product and meet Luna in person. So we're done with our initial demo of Luna. She's again a 1971 VW bugger. Now some of you may be wondering, why don't you want to keep her in her present state? Well, while it's cool and all, I think we're going to make it a lot cooler. And if you didn't notice, as we were kind of demoing her and stripping everything down, a lot of it didn't want to come off too easy. And you know what, if I was from the 70s, I don't know that I'd want to bring myself into the future either. But again, we're going to make her super cool. One of the things we're going to do is we're going to cut out the wheel wells a little bit higher here and put some really cool wheels on Luna. Currently these are 10-inch deep dish. We're going to go with some really nice wheels front and rear. And another thing we're going to do is we're going to roll the rear of Luna to keep the lines consistent with that of a VW Bug that has a little more curvature to it versus these sharp angles the way it was originally built. So track our progress as we complete this build. Our goal is to have her 100% complete by the time the 2023 RV Boat Show comes in town in Louisville, Kentucky. So our plan is to have her as our centerpiece. Feel free to stop by 62 Sales if you want to visit and check on our progress, or again, stay tuned to our Facebook page as well, and you can track everything we're doing. So we look forward to seeing you at the show, and again, come on by and check her out if you'd like to see her in person.